Good morning, guys. Happy Monday. Before you start your quiz today, I want to just give you a quick review of the Quizizz problems from last class that you didn't do so well on. So there were only 4 problems that 50% of you got wrong, and so I'm going to go over those 4. So the first one, number 7, I'm just going to start by looking at this side of the equation. I can combine like terms here. I have 2x and 4x. They're like terms because they both have an x attached to them. They have the same variable with the same degree. So I can go ahead and combine those, and I don't need to change my signs at all because they're on the same side of the equation. So 2x and 4x, to combine those, that gives me 6x. And I'm going to bring down my -3, bring down my equal sign, and bring down my 27. Now I want to isolate this variable. I want to get it by itself. So I'm going to add 3 to both sides. I get 6x equals 30. Then to get x by itself, I'm going to divide by 6 because the 6 is multiplying by the x. So I'm doing the opposite, which is division. Those 6's will cancel, and then I get x equals 5. Okay, so that was number 7. Number 11 says the objective when solving an equation is 2, and they had these 4 options. The answer was the first one, isolate the variable. These are all ways we isolate the variable. We check our solution, we guess and check, we combine like terms. Those are all ways we can solve an equation. But those are the steps to isolating our variable. The main goal to solve an equation is to get that variable by itself, isolate it. Okay. 16 looks like this. There is a fraction here. Our goal is to get rid of that fraction right away. So I want to get rid of the denominator. It's division by 3, so I'm going to do the opposite of division, which is multiplication. Whatever I do to one side, I got to do to the other. These 3's are going to cancel. I'm left with v plus 9 equals 8 times 3. And I'm just going to go ahead and do that in my calculator. 8 times 3 is 24. Then I'm going to subtract 9 from 24, and I get 15. And then my v is by itself, and I've solved my equation. All right, my last one here. If I look at this side of the equation, there's nothing I can simplify. If I look at this side of the equation, there's still nothing I can simplify. There's no like terms. So I'm going to go ahead and start to move things around. I'm going to add this 2x to both sides to start. So 4x and 2x is 6x. I'm going to bring down my 9, my equal sign, and my -15. And now I want to isolate this 6, so I'm going to subtract 9. So 15 and 9 is going to give me -24. And then my last, I'm actually going to continue up here. Okay, then I'm going to divide by 6 to solve. And 24 divided by 6 is 4. And it's going to be negative because I'm doing a negative divided by a positive. So hopefully this was a good little review for you to get you ready and get your brain going for the quiz today. The quiz is due by the start of class tomorrow, so I would highly suggest you have all day today to do it. I would highly suggest you do it today, and then, do it during the hours that I've posted where you can come on the call and get help if you need it. All right, guys, have a wonderful Monday.